Alright, so you just practiced drawing models in your spiral to answer division problems. Now we're going to be drawing them on our Google slide. So I have a math story here. It says Charlotte is inviting 8 people to her birthday party. She has 24 cookies for her guest. And how many cookies will each friend get? So you're going to actually be able to click right here. I've made the text box long enough to keep typing in. The first thing that Miss McCoy and I want you to do is we want you to find the dividend. The dividend is going to be the total that you're starting with. So the total number of cookies that Charlotte has is 24. So that's going to be our dividend. Our divisor is going to be our number of groups. And so since she invited 8 people, that's going to be our number of groups. So our divisor is going to be 8. And our quotient, remember, is our answer. And right now we don't know our answer, so we're just going to write the letter C for cookies. And now we can make our division problem. 24 divided by 8 equals C. Alright, so now we're actually going to be drawing the model. So the first thing that we have to do is first we have to make our total number of cookies. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to Insert, Shape, and then we're going to go to Callouts, okay? I can use any one of these designs for my cookies. I'm going to use this design right here, 4-point star. I don't know, I'm just going to use it, okay? So there it is. And what I'm going to do, I don't want to have to do that 24 times, right? So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to click on the image, and on your keyboard, what you're going to do is you are going to hold down Control C. And when you do that, it actually copies the image. Now, to paste our image, we want to press Control V. Do you see how that popped up another star? So Control V again. And I'm going to do that 24 times. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's see if it'll do over here. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And I'm probably going to want to go back through and make sure I have the correct amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Alright, so I have the correct amount of cookies here. And now I need to draw my number of groups. So my number of groups is 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Insert. I can go to Insert, Line. Sorry, I was trying to remember. So I go to Insert, Line, and then I'm actually going to go down here where it says Scribble. So I've inserted that line in the scribble. So what this is actually going to have you do is it's actually going to make sure that you are able to draw something. All you have to do is hold down and draw. So right here is the icon that will say scribble. So I'm going to make my 8 circles. 1. And I have to do this each time, okay? Or I can copy and I can paste. So it made another, oops, sorry. It made another square, a circle, but I want to make sure that I can move that. Alright, so there's 2, or you can go to Insert, Line, and Scribble each time. Or you can just click this to scribble. So I have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I want to double check and make sure I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm going to just start dragging my cookies, remember these are cookies, into each group. So I'm going to make sure and go one at a time into each group. So each group now has 1, but I still have cookies left. So I'm going to go ahead and add the second cookie to each group. Alright, so now I have 2 in each group, but I still have cookies left, so I'm going to go ahead and distribute these. Alright, and they are now equal. I have 3 cookies in each group. All of my cookies are gone. So I know that each person is going to get how many cookies? I know that they're going to get 3 cookies. So now I can go back and I can change my answer to 3. That quotient is going to equal 3. And 24 divided by 8 is going to equal 3. So that is how I'm drawing my models to show the answer to this division problem.